After the storm pass, after the camera's gone, Jamaica still here. The wind calmed down, sky turned blue, but the shovel still a pass through. Roof still leak when the night rain fall. Some walk weak, but faith stand tall. Youths move on to another place, but my people still run the race. One day at a time, one prayer we say. Trust your hand to guide the way, even when they help slow down. Love still building a every tone. Still standing, still believing, even when the earth slow down. Faith hold we to the evening, when the camera's not around. Stand fade out from the headline, but your words still guide the way. Still standing, still believing. Jamaica, make it day by day. Mother strong though her heart feel tired. Youth them brave though them dreams feel tried. From country road to the inner city, hands reach out, hearts stay pretty. One pot bubble, food get share. Hope still live everywhere. No gold chain, no spotlight glow, but real love still overflow. Still standing, still believing, even when the earth slow down. Faithful we through the evening, when the camera's not around. Some fade out from the headline, but your words still guide we well. Still standing, still believing. Jamaica, make it day by day. Jah never left we, not one day. Through the night, he showed the way. No storm, no flood, no broken ground can shade the faith where we found. Morning come with gentle sun, healing slow but it begun. Every scar tells story true, so we survive what passed we through. Island heartbeat steady still, here stronger than any wind. From ash and dust, what reveal what we feel is real. Through the long and silent days, the light shine through the grieving. Died we through the maze, world lay look another way. And we know Jah never share. Still standing, still believing. Jamaica, find our ways, I swear.